Bonjour everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make Haitian Bouillon. For this soup, I'm using goat and cow foot. The first step, as always, is to clean the meat. I use lemon, limes, salt, vinegar, and sour orange and give it a really good bath. Let it sit in boiling hot water for at least 1 minute. Then we season the meat with epis. I'm using Neguess Creole Haitian Epis, made every day fresh in my restaurant. Then I add the meat in a tall pot and add enough water just to cover the top of the meat. Seal it with the lid and let it cook on medium-high for the next 2 hours. Be sure to check the meat and keep adding water until it is tender. While the meat is cooking, it's time to get started on the vegetables. For bouillon, I like to add yams, malanga, potatoes, Militon, carrots, celery, corn, plantains, spinach, watercress, and parsley. I thoroughly wash, peel, and prepare each vegetable into soup-sized pieces. Once the meat is ready, it's time to add in the vegetables. While the water is boiling, slowly add in all of your vegetables. It's best to concentrate the herbs towards the top of the soup. Next, it's time to prepare the dumpling. Combine salted water, flour, and some oil to make the dough. Roll a few pieces in your hand to make medium to small sized dumplings and then drop it into the boiling water. And I add some chopped sweet peppers, fresh thyme, and fresh parsley. Lastly, add some Maggi Bouillon, fresh cloves, bay leaves, butter, and a little garlic powder. Let this boil until the vegetables are thoroughly cooked. Voila! Haitian Bouillon.